Water in your basement can lead to all sorts of problems, from mold growth to structural failure and wood rot. A good basement drainage system is the best way to keep your home safe, healthy, and dry. So what exactly is a basement drain? In simple terms, it's a system that collects excess water that seeps in from the ground and from the cold joint and directs it away from your home. Interior drainage channels are a lot like gutters for your basement. They collect any water that makes its way inside and directs it towards the sump pump for removal. Once the pump kicks in, it cycles that water outside through a discharge line to deposit it far away from your foundation. It's a proactive way to keep your basement dry and your home safe. Waterproofing experts can evaluate your basement's layout and potential water risks to determine things like proper sump pump placement, the natural slope of your basement, and whether you'll need a dehumidifier or a battery-powered backup pump. This may seem like a lot, but it's important to make sure that the drainage system operates smoothly and lasts a long time. The last thing you want is for the system to fail after the first heavy rain because you overlooked something. Don't leave your basement health to chance. Contact Groundworks today for a free inspection.